Commercial water vending machines have become a vital source of daily drinking water, and water quality safety remains the core concern for users. Environmental complexity. Vending machines are often installed in high-traffic areas, with significant temperature and humidity fluctuations, creating favorable conditions for microbial growth, water storage and pipeline risks. Prolonged stagnation in water tanks and internal pipelines can lead to secondary contamination. Limitations of traditional technology. Mercury UV lamps have slow startup, high energy consumption, and face environmental compliance challenges due to mercury content. Full process UVC sterilization, blocking pollution at the source. Water circuit sequence of water dispensers. The water circuit sequence of water dispensers typically follows the logic of pre-treatment, advanced treatment, storage, final disinfection. Raw water multi-stage filtration booster pump, water tank UV disinfection module, water outlet end users. Water tank section. Install high-efficiency UVC LED modules inside the water tank. Through circulating water flow or direct irradiation, they inhibit the growth of bacteria, algae, and microorganisms on the tank surfaces and in stagnant water zones. Pipeline section. Deploy UVC LED modules in pipe bends, junctions, and long-standing sections to prevent biofilm formation on pipe walls and avoid secondary contamination. Outlet section. Install UVC LED disinfection modules at the final stage, before water is dispensed to users. Instant irradiation ensures water-on-demand sterilization, effectively eliminating residual microorganisms and guaranteeing safe drinking water. Value embodiment. End users. Ensure safe drinking water and enhance consumer trust. Manufacturers. Increase product competitiveness and align with environmental sustainability trends. Operators. Reduce maintenance frequency and lower operational costs. Societal level. Support public health and promote green, sustainable development. Test report. Third-party verified data. Core journal paper. Academic research support. Visit www.massphoton.com for more information.